Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammie, and if you guys said, today I'm back with a new vlog. If you guys are new, I'm Tammie. Normally on this channel I only do vlogs, well, mostly lifestyle stuff, vlogs, food. I do everything because I rather not be in the box. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, so today I am getting ready to film Amazon must-haves, that because I am an Amazon fiend. Anything I need, I go ahead and be like, oh, let me see if Amazon have it. So right now I'm just getting ready to beat this face, you know. Right now I'm looking crusty and dusty, but as you saw in the beginning, I was making my tea, which is great for the skin, great for your immune system, like especially with all the corona going on, with flu season. You have to drink, be up on your greens, be up on your like all your minerals, vitamins, everything, because we don't have time to be sick. Right now I'm just, so I have a new vlog. Mom, this is so pretty. So I'm done with my brows, which they're okay today. Today I'm using, well, not today, I always use this elf sun kiss booster drop. Oh my gosh, like I don't even prime my face anymore. Like it just allows the foundation to blend. Shout out to who told me to use Dollface Lyrics. She used this and I was like, oh, I need to try this, and then I fell in love. Like I don't even prime my face anymore. Like that's the crazy part. Normally I used to prime my face, but now I don't prime my face. I just be like, put it under my eye. Elf, come on. Like Elf used to be like $3 for an item. Now Elf like overcharging people because people on YouTube using it. Like it doesn't make sense on why our prices went so high. Like a brush used to be $3. Most of their items used to be like $3, $2, like $1. Like now it's just overpriced. Thank you, YouTubers. Gosh. So now I'm going to use my Pretty Fresh. Yes, yeah, I love this product. Besides Fenty, I love this Pretty Fresh by ColourPop. Even though I did a review on it, does not mean I don't still use it. I use this religiously. This is like my favorite foundation because it gives you that makeup no makeup look. So I got these beauty blenders from Amazon. I got them for like $3. I don't get beauty blenders that have this pad here, so when I'm putting it under the eye, and then this will be for like for the whole face. Okay, so I went ahead, I wet it. Okay, you see the size different? Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind corrector. Gotta twist the top and then whoop. My favorite powder is this Ruby Kisses that I got from this Beauty Exchange. I'm gonna go ahead with my contour palette. I'm not putting no more cream, so I'm only using powder. So now I'm gonna use this with the contour powder part. You see that? You can blush it, bro. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Mocha 360 foundation with my e.l.f. brush that I got years ago. So Okay, so I tied my hair down, and now I'm gonna, to make my lace look flat, I got this hot plate so I can put my hot comb. I got this from Amazon. It was like $25, so all you gotta do is plug it, and then it heats up everything, and it gets hot. It gets hot, real hot, to the point where you can burn. I don't know how to do edges to save my life. Like, and honestly, I don't even care in the flat iron straighter because it don't even last. Cause I either end up putting it in a bonnet, in a ponytail. I didn't even tell you guys how many inches it is, but it reached my back. I don't even know if they still have this hair because I ordered it like when I went to Vegas. Disclaimer, this is what I do. I'm sorry the angles are gonna be different because I don't have enough storage on its memory, so it keeps shutting down. So this is what I do to get ready to do my YouTube videos. Some people probably don't put makeup, they don't like to get, honestly, I just have a crop top on and the bottom is whatever, it's like sweats. And some people, they probably like to get ready and do their makeup, and some people don't, which it's your channel. You do what you want to do. Me, I like to get glam, look presentable, because that's just me. So I'm gonna put my lashes. I can't talk no more. So that completes my look, how I get ready to film a video. Let me know what you guys think. It's just like a vlog style small YouTuber. Tell you what you think about that. Riding in the great Cadillac, we in a feeling. So this thing in my hair look big though. So I've been filming. What's the time I've been filming all that? Look, she. I took copyright, and then she wanna sit here and sing. So I am on my way to get donuts. Krispy Kreme has these like caramel. So this. She's such a troll. I'll put a picture of the camera. Keep playing. What the fuck? What is Anywho, I'm going to Krispy Kreme donuts to get the caramel donuts. It has salted caramel and they have like a caramel donut flavor. And she's going to Wawa to get a shake. I'm not gonna need one who want a late night snack. It's currently 8:33, so I'm currently pumping gas at Wawa. Y'all, I went in there. Amazing. It's like I feel like I was out of town. So I ended up getting, it really does feel like I'm out of town. So I ended up getting the peach for my sister, and I got the mango banana. I'm gonna try it when I get in the car. I'm finished pumping this gas, honey. But this the spot. I'm pretty sure people got Wawa at their place in their city, right? They just got this one here. But where did we see a Wawa at though? Pembroke. Oh yeah, there is one on Pembroke. This one is so nice. This one would be my spot. Forget McDonald's. It says free coffee Tuesday. I don't think you have a mask on. This tastes good. It tastes good. You want to take one? You can take mine. Even though mine
done, bitch.
Yours almost done. Mine's is the button.
What about mango?
Mango, yeah. Yeah, this tastes like a peach yogurt.
No, duh. That's what you put. Thank you.
I like the peach better, I think. Yup. Copyright, y'all. I'm gone. So we're currently at a spot, my favorite spot to take pictures. Look how cute the lighting is on here. Don't show you. You see it? Yeah. So cute. So anywho, we're gonna take headshots. All headshots. I usually leave me alone. But you should use this camera too, because the brightness is amazing.
It's not even that bright. That's funny.
Yeah, it's not bright here, but the brightness on the camera is A1.